Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to create this nice logo. So let's start. Okay, let's start. So I'm gonna get the ellipse tool and draw a circle holding shift to make it proportional. Put it maybe 50 and then hold Alt to get the two cursors and drag till about maybe 150 something, and then zoom out and then Control D to repeat the action. Repeat it even outside the artboard many times. And now select all of these and zoom in and hold Alt again and just copy and place it here. So each circle can be in the center of the two circles behind it. And now zoom out and Control D a couple of times to fill the artboard. Okay. And now let's move this here and select everything. And go to Window, Symbols, and just drag it inside. And let's name it S1, okay? And now we can delete this because it's here in the symbols. And let's draw another circle. This time let's make it a big circle, holding shift to make it proportional. And now get the line tool and with the smart guides on, make sure you have the smart guides on, just with the center draw a line in the center and select both of them, get the shape builder tool, hold Alt to get the minus sign and remove this. And remove the line, and now select this one and go to Effects, 3D, and Revolve. And now you have a sphere. So go to Map Art, and in the symbol here just search for S1 and click it. And now press OK. And from here just change this one to 0. And I think this looks fine. Maybe let's turn it slightly more. Yes, this looks fine. Okay. You can always do whatever you want, but like I think this works for me. So I'm gonna press OK. And now go to Object, Expand Appearance. And right click on it, Ungroup, again, Ungroup, and then right click again and release Clipping Mask. So now click on the circles here and just drag it here. And delete this one. And place it in the middle and you will have this. So what you can do is click it and right click and ungroup, and now you can edit each circle inside. So I would recommend that you delete these useless very small circles on the sides, especially if it's extremely small. There's no need for it. I think this is fine. Here there's some. Yes, I think this is fine. So now you have this effect here. So now we just need to color. So let's zoom out. I have here a couple of colors which I can use. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select all of this and hold Alt and copy it. I'm gonna use this one for the shadows later on. And I'm gonna choose all of this and go to the live bucket and press once, and now I can color in each. And now you can get the eyedropper, select the first color and color these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna color this section with this color and the next section with this color and the rest. So I'm gonna do it a little bit fast. So when you have the last color left, just get the eyedropper, select it, and get the live bucket tool and just double click on it. And it will color the whole gray colors. And now you have this. So you can always like insert different colors, maybe get this color here and color some of those to try to blend them more. And with this color, color one here, and one here. And with this color here, color this, this, this. So this shows like a little bit more blending. So now we have this effect here, and we can get the shadows. Select all of it and place it on it, and right click, arrange, send to back, and just with the arrow key move it slightly to the left. Or you can just remove the shadows. Just select the colored ones, Ctrl+2 to lock, and select all the shadows and delete, and then unlock Ctrl+Alt and 2, and then select this and go to Effects, Stylize, and Drop Shadows, and put these options, and I think this might look better. So select it and go to Effects and Wrap and Rise, and put these options, -56 and -19, and you would have this effect. And we're done.